Welcome to the Lino airport. At the left hand side you see the gate, and to the right you see the configuration panel for the gate. So we are able right now to configure this gate. At the moment, as you have seen, we have only one gate, Durchgang 1, but we are able to control that. So we point on that number and let's see, we are choosing 3 gates. So we want to have 3 gates right now, and if we press the update value button and turn our head to the left, we will see that the gate has been updated to 3 gates right now in that moment. So we will have a closer look to the design. We are moving towards the left gate. Yeah, have a closer look to it, and I think the design is rather impressive. Even from that perspective, from a child's perspective, yeah, that looks really neat. And we are able to make a functional control, so we can open the doors. Yes, and I think this left door will also open accordingly. Yeah, that looks fine. And I think we will make another change in the configuration, but first we are going to move the configuration panel before our Lino Jumbo Jet in the background. In the configuration panel you can see now that we have actually 3 gates, Durchgang 1, Durchgang 2, Durchgang 3. So we want to configure the left hand side, and here we have either the ability to control the height or the width. At the moment we are controlling the height. We are changing the value to a higher one, to 1250, say update value, and if we are now have a look to the left hand side, again we will see that it's updating accordingly, and really the doors are higher, as you can see. But there is another thing we want to control right now. In the third gate we want to control the width. This time, let's say we want to control it for disabled people or mother with child, and here we go to the higher value, and immediately you can see the system has updated. But also the glass barrier has been adapted to the new size of the gate. Well, and of course it's still working. And again we are moving to the right hand gate. Have a closer look at it, open it for ourselves. We are moving through it, and have a closer look to the design of the hinge. Okay, I think the glass is fixed properly. Yeah, we can see that, we can control that very easily. Thank you for listening.